My name is Belinda and I am the Managing Director here at The Colourate Home. I wanted to do a video with you this morning just to introduce myself for those of you who don't know me personally, just so that you can get to know me and what my business is about. So I started the business about 18 months ago, really because I wanted a change in my life and I've always loved interiors. So I retrained as an interior designer and decided that I wanted to start my own business. So when I started my own business, I really wanted to focus on staging and styling properties for sale. I felt that was where my flair was and where I really wanted to be spending my time. But having said that, I really do enjoy the interior design side of things as well, putting together drawings and 3D models of new spaces and planning spaces and helping people just to realise exactly what it is that they want from a space and how they can make the most of the space that they do have. The most important thing for me is to make sure that someone's home is functional and that they can live in it comfortably. Doesn't have to be a show home or anything like that. So I just wanted to really quickly touch base, let you all know who I am. Some of the services that I provide are obviously home staging for sale. So if you want to maximize the amount of money that you can get from your home when you sell it, do drop me a line, send me an email or give me a call. I'd love to come out and give you a obligation-free quote on staging your property for sale. And we've got packages available for all budgets, so if you want to use some of your own furniture, that's fine. We can work with that. We can come in and add all of the finishing touches like artwork and accessories, and just to give it that extra little, wow factor at the end. Otherwise, if you would prefer just to start from a blank slate, or you've got an investment property that you want to stage that you've no longer got tenants in and you're ready to sell it, we have our own furniture, so we can come in and fully stage the home with all of our furniture as well. So we can work within your budget and really try to maximize the return on your investment, because that's what we believe it is. It's an investment. And we believe that the amount that you'll get back on your sale will well and truly cover the cost of the staging of your property. Quite often you'll get sometimes $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 more than you may have expected. And we've had even better results than that, where some of our clients have exceeded $40,000 to $50,000 more than they thought that they were going to get for their home. So it's definitely investment rather than a cost to you. We can also do interior design, so if you'd like me to come out and help you with selections or colours for your home, or you just need some help with paint, I can start from a 1 to 2 hour consult with you and see where things go from there. But if you are looking for a full-on reno and you want to put in a new kitchen, a new bathroom, we can also design those for you too. So happy to really work with you on your needs and your timeframes. So I'm really pleased that you've all been watching my video today, and I hope you've enjoyed it, getting to know me a little bit more and a little bit more about our business and what we do. And I'll be doing a little bit more live stuff and a little bit more video for you, just so that you can get to know us over the next few weeks and months. So I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thanks. Bye.